Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify white screen. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify white screen, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Spotify like this. If you will find it here, you can click update if you will find it in this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.